Hey folks, here we are at the Main Street Station Casino, Brewery, and Hotel. We are in room 1621. We have a King non-smoking. It ran about $86. Out the door with resort fee. Resort fee was like $19.20. We have a desk here with a chair, lamp. Basic towels. Room seems very clean. Not bad for $85 on a Friday night, or $86 with resort fee, give or take. It is fight night tomorrow. It's Thurman and Pacquiao, so not a bad rate. I think we booked this before that fight was announced, though. That may be why. Got a decent TV. There is a refrigerator. This is the view that we got. Not too bad. It's them building the new Circa hotel and casino, and train tracks and whatnot. We have a table, 2 chairs, ottoman, and some artwork. It's a basic king bed. Again, it's clean. We're happy. We got the right price on a Friday night. So that's it. Pretty basic but clean at the right price. Staff are very friendly. The gift shop has reasonably priced cigars if you're into that kind of thing, and drinks and whatnot. So that's it for us. Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you will for more Vegas rooms, Orlando rooms, Florida rooms, Nevada rooms, any other vacation destination rooms. Thank you. Alright guys, that wraps up our stay at Main Street Station Hotel, Casino, and Brewery. And we're actually going to head on over to the California. These steps. There's also a ramp. And here we go. See the carpet change. It's actually connected. Nice little bridge that goes over Main Street.